When you think that being a 1 or a 2 is not enough to practice your German language comprehension, you are wrong. Today we will check out short stories again, we will go through them, listening and talking about grammar and vocabulary, and you will see what you can do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a feedback, a comment in the comments below to support this channel. Let's go! Wir hören den Text. Bea läuft durch die U-Bahn-Station. Sie ist auf dem Weg zur Uni. Es war ein stressiges Jahr gewesen. Im Frühjahr hatte sie ihren Job im Callcenter gekündigt. Sie hatte zu viele Abendkurse. Doch jetzt will sie wieder eine feste Arbeit finden. Sie hatte hier und da ein paar Gelegenheitsjobs angenommen, um über die Runden zu kommen. Aber es war alles andere als einfach gewesen. Und jetzt beginnt bald das neue Semester und sie muss die Semestergebühren zahlen. Und die Miete wurde auch erhöht und die Lebensmittel. Die Frist rückt immer näher. Was soll ich tun? Fragt sie sich, während sie in die Bahn einsteigt. Das Abteil ist voller Menschen. Die meisten von ihnen sind Studenten. Alle sehen irgendwie erschöpft und müde aus. Bea guckt nach oben. An den Seiten hängen Plakate und Werbungen. Sie liest: Studentin, keine Vorkenntnisse, kein Abschluss. Wir suchen dich. 17 € die Stunde, sofort. Und was soll der Job sein? Man kann nichts aus dem Text erkennen. Vielleicht rufe ich da mal an. Bea nimmt ihr Smartphone und fotografiert es. 3 junge Leute neben ihr machen das ebenfalls. Wir lesen zusammen. This is the part where I speak English again and we try to figure out what we just heard. Don't be afraid of Daddy Does, just write your vocabulary in our notebook and learn them correct from the beginning. Link is in the description below. Thanks for supporting us. Okay, Bea läuft durch die U-Bahn-Station. Durch is a nice preposition, means through. And in this case it needs Akkusativ. Durch die. Die U-Bahn-Station is female, therefore. So Bea walks through the train station. Sie ist auf dem Weg zur Uni. As you can see, prepositions are a must. You have to know them, to learn them. Auf dem Weg sein goes together. Please learn it together also. Means to be on the way, on the go. Zur Uni, zu der. Zur is the short form zu der, which means to, towards. So she's on the way to university. Es war ein stressiges Jahr gewesen. Stressig is an adjective, means stressful. And because adjectives in front of nouns also have a declination, we have to say stressiges Jahr. Das Jahr, neutral. Now, I said here, war gewesen. This is perfect tense. Maybe you learned before, es war ein stressiges Jahr. Like this, without the gewesen. This would be Präteritum, past tense, a simple past, I call it sometimes. So, es war ein stressiges Jahr, but for me, for this that I want to express, I need perfect tense, because I want to give it like a finishing sound. It has been a stressful year. War gewesen. Im Frühjahr hatte sie ihren Job im Callcenter gekündigt. Hatte gekündigt is not perfect tense, it's Plusquamperfekt, but stay tuned for my B1 grammar. It will come really soon, and then you can learn this also. So, in the spring, das Frühjahr, she had quit her job in the call center. In dem. Again, short version of in dem. She quit her job in the call center. Sie hatte zu viele Abendkurse. Here we have hatte, a typical past, simple past of haben. Hatte. She had too many night courses. Doch jetzt will sie wieder eine feste Arbeit finden. But now she wants to find again, wieder, a steady job. We have here verb subject because in the front we have information, whatever you want to say, that makes the position change. Not subject verb like in a normal sentence, but verb subject. Sie hatte hier und da ein paar Gelegenheitsjobs angenommen. Der Gelegenheitsjob means Not a part-time job, but just like a quick job, something to do once in a while, nothing steady. Hier und da, if you know good English, you will understand that it means here and there, so once in a while. Ein paar means some. So she did accept here and there some quick jobs. Annehmen. But our sentence doesn't finish here because we have the comma and then in this case, means in order to. And now we have a pattern or an expression you can learn together. Über die Runden zu kommen. If you translate it word by word, it means to come over the rounds. I mean, it sounds a little philosophical, but if you imagine that life is like a circle, I guess, yeah, to go and manage to go around and around, maybe, yeah, rund, round, we can remember it like this. Altogether, it means to get by. So I write it here, so you have it for your vocabulary book or whatever. To get by, yeah, to be financially okay, to get by, über die Runden kommen. Aber es war alles andere als einfach gewesen. But it was something, something. Again, the past tense is clear. Alles andere als einfach is also a nice expression. You can remember everything else but easy. Literally what it means. So it was difficult. It was everything else but easy and not easy, so to speak. Und jetzt beginnt bald das neue Semester. This is an easy one. And now the new semester, again, we have to decline it here. Das neue Semester begins soon, bald. Then we have und connecting a second sentence. Und sie muss die Semestergebühren zahlen. And she has to pay the university fees, the semester fees. Muss zahlen is a helping verb or modal verb. Position 2 is the verb, the helping verb, and on the final position we have the actual verb. Und die Miete wurde auch erhöht. And the rent also was raised. Wurde erhöht is something that's A2 plus, B1 grammar. If you want to Google it, it is a simple passive form in the past tense. And the food und die Lebensmittel. The sentence doesn't continue, but we know it means everything got more expensive. Die Frist rückt immer näher. Was soll ich tun? Die Frist means the deadline. Rücken without context means literally to come closer. Immer näher. Maybe you learned immer already and you say, oh yeah, I know immer. It means always. If you think so, you're not wrong. It can mean always. But in this case, in combination with an adjective in comparative, it means more and more. So the deadline is coming more and more closer. Was soll ich tun? What should I do? Fragt sie sich. She asks herself. We have a reflectiveness here. Während sie in die Bahn einsteigt. While she enters into the train. Das Abteil ist voller Menschen. The compartment, we would say, yeah, so the train is full of people. Die meisten von ihnen, the most of them, are students, sind Studenten. Alle sehen irgendwie erschöpft und müde aus. All look irgendwie means somehow, and erschöpft means exhausted, and müde means tired, two adjectives. So everybody looks somehow exhausted and tired. Bea guckt nach oben. Bea looks up, nach oben, towards up, so to speak. An den Seiten hängen Plakate und Werbungen. On the sides of the train, of course, are hanging flyers and advertisement, or posters and advertisement. Hängen, to hang. Sie liest, she reads. Student, Studentin, student. Keine Vorkenntnisse, no experience or no prior knowledge. Kein Abschluss, no degree. Wir suchen dich. We are searching for you. 17 Euro pro Stunde, sofort. Sofort means immediately. So we're looking for you, 17 euros per hour immediately. Und was soll der Job sein? Soll sein, in this case, is not a helping verb that gives an order. You have to clean your room or whatever. But it's more of a question, what is this job supposed to be? Man kann nichts aus dem Text erkennen. One can understand or get nothing, nichts out of the text. Vielleicht rufe ich da mal an. Maybe I give it a call. Mal is a nice word that expresses casuality or a quickness of a impulsive decision. Yeah, like have a look, have a try. So maybe I give them a call. Bea nimmt ihr Smartphone und fotografiert es. Bea takes her smartphone and takes a picture of it. Es, in this case, das Plakat, for example, ja? Hier. 3 junge Leute neben ihr machen das ebenfalls. 3 young people next to her, neben, Dativ, do the same thing or do that as well. Literally do, literally machen, to do that as well, ebenfalls. This is it for today. I hope it helped you. You learned something new. If you have questions, leave it in the comments below. Please again, like, subscribe. This channel is growing steadily. I'm really happy about that because I really hope you learned here something. That's why I appreciate your feedback so much. I will see you very soon. Bye.